Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Volkswagen Transporter. This is a long wheelbase model in black, coming to you with just over 23,000 miles on the clock. And unlike other Volkswagen Transporters, this one does come with barn doors rather than a tailgate at the back as well. This one is a 5-doored medium van adorning 3 cloth-lined seats, with an armrest as well for the driver to get access maximum comfort upon the road. We do of course have a automatic transmission, cruise control, hands-free cooling and voice assist upon the steering wheel, app connectivity upon the screen, and also a reversing camera as well, as much as connectivity and radio, etc. And just to show you into the load area in the back, you can see that it is indeed ply-lined with cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry. And there are no dents within the bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. And if you would like to find out more about this Volkswagen Transporter, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or why not visit our site in Padworth, where you can discuss with one of our specialists about this van or any other similar ones as well. Thank you very much.